I recently saw this beautiful human lion transform his hair from this to this with this.
Go get it.
So I did! And now I'm testing it for 1 month on my semi-virgin hair.
What?
And on this bleached, damaged piece of real hair to see if K18 is as magical as the internet claims. From the get-go, I appreciated how chill it is to use. You shampoo, wash, towel dry, apply a few pumps of K18, and move on with your life. Up, and sit, and down. Ah! He did it! I personally don't notice any difference right now. I don't notice anything like, whoa, it's particularly softer today.
Oh, wait.
What an idiot. It is a highly humid day and I'm not drowned in frizz. By now, my hair will be... When the idea about me testing K18 came up, a lot of women were like, well, Brenda, K18 is for hair that has been bleached. You shouldn't use it. And so for that reason, what I'm thinking of doing is I'm gonna cut a piece of my hair, I'm gonna bleach it, and we're gonna damage it until K18 has a job to do. It can't be that hard.
Ready?
Yeah. What happens now? Now I have short hair? Look at this. And you cannot notice it. Did I cut my hair? And if I put on a ponytail, it's cool. We did it. Let's bleach it. But before we do that, you have to see what K18 is doing to my hair. This is my hair after only the second application. Kitty, I am in shock, especially because this is my hair before touching K18. The hair is more tamed, it's not as puffy, there's also a little bit of shine. What I'm not super happy with is the texture. It still feels rough. Maybe as we continue to use it, this will get better and better. Here's the thing. Some women are reporting hair damage and hair loss after repeated use of K18. Ouch! It seems that severe hair damage happens after 4 to 6 uses. The most affected hair types appear to be curly and thin hair. Let me clarify that the majority, over 70% of people are actually very happy with K18. Could it be that K18's supposed ability to go deep inside your hair is what's causing damage to some users? Will I be one of those users? I guess only more applications will tell. In the meantime, let's see how this poor piece of hair gets ready for K18. This is like decorating a cake. All you gotta do is hope that the right color shows up. I added all the bottle. We just gotta wait 30 minutes. Wow! We do have a piece of blonde hair. You wanna take a look at this? We are definitely going to continue to damage this even more. What I hope doesn't get damaged is this hair. Let me show you what my hair is looking like with the gorgeous K18. Oh, that's very nice. Look at this. Look at the bottom. Almost like mermaid hair.
Almost like you went to the salon, right?
Exactly what it looks like. But it's not. It's been only brushed.
This is K18?
This is K18, boy. I've never seen a ponytail on me looking this cute.
I was seeing the same thing in my head.
You girls were not lying about K18. Let's hope that this is a product that continues to improve the hair and not the other way around. While I cross my fingers, let's inject some freaking heat damage into this poor little creature. Looking damaged, right? We're gonna keep on injecting heat damage because in real life, a woman continues to do that forever until the hair falls off. Talking about hair fall, remember how the warnings claim that after 4 to 5 uses, people experience hair fall and damage? Well, I won't say K18 is responsible for this increase. Maybe it's stress, aliens. It did start recently, as per hair damage. Baby, you want to touch my hair? Please give your honest opinion.
It feels softer in the top, then towards the middle it begins to feel a bit harsh, and then the bottom feels broomy.
What if what's going on is that I'm starting to cross the border between here's where K18 helps and here's where it begins to destroy your hair? Girl, it's been a week of daily damaging heating tools, daily washes with shampoo, dish soap, hand soap. I even dipped it in highly damaging hydrogen peroxide twice. After all of this destruction, this is what it finally looks like. It's dull, frizzy, and trust me, it feels like it looks. K18 claims that the more damaged the hair, the more dramatic the results. I think Blondie is finally ready for her first K18 pump. And I'm finally ready to show you what my hair looks like after using K18 for 1 month. My hair has not been blow dried or stylized, just brush. Oh my God. Woo! Carlos, my husband, please help us with a little brush. This is insane! Oh my God! What is this? It may not be the softest, but it is soft. And it is silky. And so shiny. So beautiful. All I'm left with is the most beautiful hair I've ever had as an adult. Yes, I'll continue to use it moving forward until a better one comes out. Bleach Babe here also went through a beautiful transformation. Here she is after just 1 use of K18, after 3 applications, and gradually looking better. I'm gonna give K18 4 stars. It would have been a 5 stars without hesitation if the container had been 100% biodegradable, earth-friendly, but it's not. Best in the market. I have nothing else to tell you. I do have one more thing to tell you. My family and I are giving you the opportunity to win a $100 gift card from Amazon! Woo! All you gotta do is find this little creature sitting somewhere, standing somewhere, dancing somewhere in this video. Just the second you find it, take a screenshot, send it to me as a DM on Instagram, and that is it. The best way for you to increase your chances of winning the next freaking gift card is by subscribing and hitting the notifications bell so that you don't miss future episodes. Do not stop trying until I announce in the community section of this channel and in the first comment below that we have a winner. I'll see you in the next one. Bestos.